So Burkina Faso is already getting a bright boost to their solar power plants from Captain Ibrahim Traoré. The president has been making big moves to improve the country with new solar maintenance equipment which just came into the country. On February 28, 2025, ultra-modern cleaning tools were handed over to keep the Zagtouli solar plant running strong and smoothly. This is all part of Traoré's push for better energy in Burkina Faso. He called on help from West Africa's science team and Germany. This is a win for Burkina Faso's 22 million people, and it keeps getting better for them. Now let's check out how Traoré's leadership has brought about this new maintenance equipment for the solar plants in the country. Maintenance is not a very strong practice in this part of Africa, so this is to show you that President Ibrahim Traoré is changing the status quo. But before we delve deeper, don't forget to like this video as it helps inform more people about the amazing works happening in Burkina Faso, and also subscribe for more riveting content. Always. Let's get right into it. It was an impressive day in Burkina Faso on Friday, February 28, 2025, when Captain Ibrahim Traoré's vision to improve Burkina Faso took a leap forward as the West African Scientific Services Center on Climate Change and Adapted Land Use, which is popularly known by the acronym WASCO, handed over solar panel cleaning gear to the National Electricity Company of Burkina Faso. On Ibrahim Traoré's behest, the event happened at the Zagtouli solar plant, with Energy Minister Yakuba Zabreguba leading the show. This gear will help clean dust off panels and boost power, showing Traoré's focus on making energy stronger for Burkina Faso's millions, and also running maintenance on their multi-million solar power plant. The roots of Traoré's solar push go back to Burkina Faso's energy struggles, which he has been tackling head-on since taking charge in 2022. With only 20% of people getting electricity in Burkina Faso, this is appalling, and the President Ibrahim Traoré wants more power from the sun, which is one of the most reliable renewable energy in the West African sub-region. The Zagtouli plant, opened in 2017 with 33 megawatts, was Africa's biggest back then. That cuts power, so Traoré's team grabbed this chance with Wascal's PV2H project, starting in 2022. This project is to keep panels clean and explore green hydrogen, further proving Ibrahim Traoré's plan to fix energy woes step by step. The new tools were introduced in Burkina Faso, and people got to take a close look at the project and how it works on February 28, 2025, showing off Traoré's smart moves to improve Burkina Faso. The package included a tough New Holland tractor with 160 horsepower, a 7-meter sand brush, and 17 high-tech cameras, worth over 300 million CFA franc with taxes. The minister further added that the reason why they requested for these products was because this stuff handles Sahel dust, especially during Harmattan winds, keeping Zagtouli's 60 hectares of solar plants humming. This isn't just gear. It has showcased Traoré's way to make Burkina Faso's biggest solar plants tougher and better, a real power up for the nation, as it showcases the need for maintenance culture in the West African sub-regions with these equipment's introduction. Burkina Faso's 5 million city folks, going fast by 2040, deal with spotty power and high cost, but Traoré's solar gear is making it easier. Guba, the minister, interjected that the dust knocks out energy, losing Burkina Faso millions, as his ministry in 2023 estimated 5 million loss per year, and this equipment fights that. Ramde from the Wascal noted that this cuts cleaning costs and boosts output, helping light out homes and businesses. With Traoré's leadership, this fix could power more than 80% without electricity, showing his heart for Burkina Faso's people and progress, which he has done time and time again, and most African leaders ought to learn from this. Getting this gear was, however, a win over tough challenges, shining bright on February 28th. Harmattan dust is a monster, but Traoré's push with Wascal crushed it, which shows you the faith the country has in Traoré and his plans. Picking durable tools like the tractor worth 120 million CFA franc took planning, and not to Burkina Faso snack for teaming up with Germany's help. And oh, I forgot to tell you, Germany backed the Wascal initiative. This success sets a sunny path for more solar fixes across Africa, showing Traoré's grit, hot off his 2025 security wins against terror threats, eating 40% of the budget in Burkina Faso. With the gear in place, President Ibrahim Traoré is growing Burkina Faso's solar strength, a key piece of his energy plan. The sun brush and cameras keep Zagtouli's 33 megawatts steady, with rooms to add more juice. Beyond this, President Ibrahim Traoré eyes plans nationwide, training workers to run them. The Minister for Energy hinted that this tool would be utilized nationwide, as training simulation on how it works would bring more people into the fold, keeping true to Traoré's local involvement in everything happening in Burkina Faso. This is a setup for Burkina Faso to shine brighter, for a country racing to light up. This growth promises more power and a fresh energy scene under Traoré's lead. Traoré's solar gear brings more than light. It's scoring money and planet wins for Burkina Faso. Jobs pop up for cleaners and tech, boosting towns near Zagtouli, and also creating jobs for more people that learn the operationalization of this, alongside his agro plan that spans the entire nation. This saves cash on upkeep, cutting 2 million yearly, and fights climate woes like dust storms. Better power lifts schools and shops, tying 22 million people closer. Jobs, savings, and a green environment shows Traoré's big picture thinking, making Burkina Faso stronger and prouder. Setting up this solar boost wasn't easy. As the Minister for Energy has stated, it tested their president's will to improve Burkina Faso. Dust and cash, 225 billion CFA franc, tax-free were hurdled. But as Guba said, Traoré's quick action with Wascal nailed it. Delays from shipping and training loom. Yet Ramde has praised Traoré's focus, as he has not been looking at the challenges, but rather what can go in to uplift the nation. However, the Minister for Energy warned that keeping gear running needs speed. It must do for success as Burkina Faso juggles terror costs and power dreams under Traoré's steady hands. The solar maintenance gear imported into Burkina Faso is shaping Traoré's vision under global eyes. Germany's Ministry of Education, pumping cash into Wascal since 2012, backs this. Wascal's 12-nation crew pushes green tricks like hydrogen, a prize Burkina Faso could share. Going deeper and bringing this project into Burkina Faso tells you that it's Ibrahim Traoré's play to lift Burkina Faso, a move wrought by West Africa's energy enthusiasts across West Africa and beyond. Ibrahim Traoré's solar maintenance gear, delivered on February 28, 2025, stands as a win, improving Burkina Faso with its big dream and grit. The Wascal handover and Zagtouli's boost shows Traoré's drive to power up millions. This isn't just equipment, it's a loud promise of Burkina Faso's brighter future, one clean panel at a time. What do you think of Traoré's solar boost? Well, let's light up Burkina Faso's future. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like this video if it excited you and share it widely as well. Subscribe for more on Africa's big steps and ones happening near us in West Africa. Check out this next video on impressive projects going on in the African sphere. Thank you and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.